Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakan huan jong gilai ngot ki Chief Executive Member, jong gilai tuli ki Autonomous District Council jong kani kajela, bagan top ya kakasi jantia bat garo, henne kasni kan reuterik unai lur. Kila leje kendo yo Myntri Rangbah kajela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Banyak sani bah halor ki babon ki bel badang sateng tabon bon snam. Bat ki bamshem pat yo ya kajing menjor na ulat kajela.
What we have discussed is that we need to have a thorough review of the functioning of all the district council and the relation with the state government, which the Chief Minister has agreed that we will have that meeting after the session is over. Assembly session of the state government. Told him about we have so many pending bills, and only one thing we have submitted before him today. It is the ruling of the High Court in 1993, where the High Court has passed an order that the share should be 60% to the district council on royalty and 40% to the government. As of now, the share is 25% for the district council and 75% for the government. So the High Court in 1973 has 1993
on the major minerals.
Major minerals. So we have submitted that ruling of the High Court to the Chief Minister. So he will study that.
Hakabay ba kajing dawapan map jing gibreo ki badan ya kajing pang HIV/AIDS uba HSLA ulai tho ba kajing kran jong u kadai halor kajing tho kabala panmi da Meghalaya AIDS Control Society haka absen terek ubrai rempang jong usnam arja khat kabay tho ba kinong nya trok nabar kajela nangta kinong bala nabar jela bat kinong trei hakikar khana kilong shibenta na ki dawba ki bawan ket yo khnyang jing pang HIV hakajela Meghalaya uba HSLA ulo angro ba Hadien ba ula pensai kamdan kanu kabenta kaba unha ban panmap kumbala dawa
kategori ka press release bangada flight da jing tho but dan rem ha tu jing tho jonga kaba dawa yang ban panmap ki sungtu bakla ti nga ga shi tu bet namar ba Hadien ba ngala yo jing tin ba parliament ha ka lai kari nu banai August lai thu ba lai tuli ki state jonga north east di hotspots jonga HIV di narapik kami Meghalaya ka digoi Tripura Mizoram yang tanga yo detail ke baca yang tu kapini ba ban sgo yo pai ba di ban sutu ba idon ha jing ma ka khra kumba nga yo tu jing tho na ru ka absent February arja khada wa pimi na ka Max Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ba yathu ang tu ba ong ba ki migrants ki truckers and factory workers they constitute a high risk group. Tengok tho ye kata tu hage jonga. Ti kai baliba kontrol ye ga halor kata. Aba kamaksi ke bapmi ye tu jing tho arp santre February ada jar kharat tu ki likely migrants truckers but ki factory workers. Tho ye tu ban discriminate you Seperti tambah kum cai bendi jengi di benyu I bakadan la kanika jingwan junglu yang HIV rula jur kata Meghalaya.
Nagalyang Chief Executive Member jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council pan udipol marang ulai tho bah kajing ndo bar Myntri Rangbah kajela unsa pan sngawru halor kajing sertong jong kinong trei jong ka GHADC ki bamshem layo satya yakutulop mentala khanyo banai kanthi bat kumjo ban persngawru halor kajing dong kam jong ka sarkar jela bakan pha ya ka an ka district council ka baidai bar kajing te lakam ya ka songkha songman hapdang ka kanthai garo bat ki wei pa kishan rang ki bamdai na ka jai ban reu garo.
Main thing is that we want to have a thorough review because in the past as what happened to Garo Hills District Council the then Chief Minister he returned the bill directly from his side only, so that is illegal. When the Garo Hills District Council they passed this codification of Garo Hills Garo customary law. So we came to know that the Chief Minister cannot do that. It is the governor who will return the bill, not the Chief Minister. True. Because now we all the three district council we are on the same line. We have passed that second amendment bill, and then Jantia is under process to pass the same bill. So all the three district council we are on the same line.
As this has mentioned that that Garo customary codification of the Garo customary law bill was passed, and it was sent to the then state government for the governor's approval. But in fact, it was not forwarded to the governor to pass it, but it is returned back to the district councils. And now we are going to be take up it in the coming session. After that, we will send it to the government for the governor's approval. There is a clause after the enact of that bill, no Garo woman, if she marries to the non-tribal fellow, that she and her children cannot be considered as a Garo.
Non-Garo or non-tribal? Non-Garo or non-tribal?
Non-tribal.
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 Not the non-Garo.
Non-Garo. Non-tribal.
She can marry Khasi also.